Hi, I'm Carla Sutter, and I am the Director of Health Current's Arizona Healthcare Directives Registry. Today, we're going to talk about the frequently asked questions about advanced care planning. We're going to review some of the most frequently asked questions regarding advanced care planning. The goal is to provide some general information and topics that you may want to continue to review as you work towards completing or updating your or family member's advanced directive. So let's start at the beginning. What is advanced care planning? According to the National Institute on Aging, advanced care planning consists of learning about the types of decisions that might need to be made, considering those ahead of time, and then letting others know about your preferences, often by putting them into an advanced directive. Advanced care planning is focused first on the conversation, whether with a healthcare provider, a trusted advisor, or family and friends, and then on the documentation of your healthcare choices. When do I need to start thinking about an advanced directive? After the age of 18, everyone can benefit from an advanced directive. As I will share in answers in later questions, there are different types of advanced directives, some which are more appropriate based on your situation. We cannot predict how and when someone will become seriously ill or injured. COVID-19 has been a difficult reminder that young and healthy people can have their health circumstances change in an instant. While your healthcare wishes and your appointed agent may change over time, you want to start these conversations and document your choices for what fits your values and preferences as you know them today. So what if you change your mind and want to amend your documents? If over time your documents no longer reflect your healthcare wishes, you can revoke or amend them. Depending on the changes you are making, you may need to rewrite them and have them re-witnessed or notarized. The most recent document on file will be the one that is followed, so it is important to provide a new copy to anyone who has the previous forms. To remember to whom you provided a copy, you can always make a list on the back of your document with who has a copy. This way, when you make any changes, you know exactly who to update. Because we all experience changes throughout our life, changes in relationship, where we live, our health status, it's good to review these regularly. There are the 5 Ds to remind us when to review our advanced directives. These are decade, divorce, meaning any change in relationship status, diagnosis, death. Oftentimes the death of someone close to us will really impact the way we may be thinking about our own end of life and the choices that we may want for ourselves. And decline, any decline in your health or change in prognosis. So in Arizona, what documents are advanced directives? Advanced directives are legal documents that outline what healthcare and treatment decisions should be made if you are unable to communicate these wishes. In Arizona, these documents include living wills, durable healthcare power of attorney, mental healthcare power of attorney, and the pre-hospital medical care directive, do not resuscitate DNR. Additionally, there is another document that is referred to as a medical order that may also be appropriate to be part of your advanced care planning documents. This is the POST document. I'm going to briefly share about each document. To learn more, use the links on the resource guide and consider watching the video in this series that focuses on the different documents in Arizona themselves. A living will is a legal document that outlines in writing your wishes regarding medical treatment in the event you are not able to communicate this directly with your healthcare providers. A durable healthcare power of attorney is a form that confirms the person you choose to make your healthcare decisions for you if you are unable to do so for yourself. A mental health care power of attorney, this document, which depending on the form is incorporated into your healthcare power of attorney document or maybe a standalone document. It allows and directs your chosen agent to make decisions for you regarding behavioral health placement and mental health treatments. A pre-hospitalization directive or do not resuscitate, if completed, this medical care directive informs first responders and emergency medical personnel that they will not use equipment, drugs, or devices to restart your heart or breathing. But it is important to always remember that they will never withhold medical interventions that are necessary to provide comfort care, or to alleviate pain. This form is on orange paper to be a recognized form. The final document that fits within the continuum of these advanced care planning documents is the POST. The Arizona POST is a portable medical order that tells emergency providers what treatments you want to have during an emergency. Additionally, a POST form is meant to clarify your treatment goals. This is not considered an advanced directive, but instead it is a medical order. The Arizona Hospital and Healthcare Association is the home of the Arizona POST. Do you need an attorney to complete these documents? You do not need an attorney to complete your Arizona Advanced Directives. The forms are available for free on several websites where there are many resources to assist you should you have questions. If you are working with an attorney on an estate plan or other family issues, they can also assist you with completing these documents. Your healthcare team, social service or health case manager, clergy, or other trusted advisors can also answer certain questions on these documents themselves. While you do not need an attorney directly, these documents all have specific rules regarding who signs them, how they can be witnessed or notarized. Before you consider them complete, you will want to review to make sure that you have met the signing requirements. Who will speak for me if I cannot speak for myself is a question that so many people ask. If you have not documented your choice for a healthcare agent on a healthcare power of attorney document, then in an emergency, the healthcare team will turn to your legal next of kin. This is based on the state's surrogacy list, which may not be who you would have wanted if you had had a choice. It is important to choose someone you trust, needs to be over the age of 18, and that you feel will be comfortable carrying out and communicating your wishes. Other factors to consider is how available this person will be to your healthcare team. It's important to have a conversation with the individual you are choosing before finalizing the documents, so together you can discuss their role as your agent along with your treatment and care choices. My family knows my wishes. Why do I have to write them down? While thinking about and planning for what you would want when your health status becomes critical can be difficult. Documenting these wishes can ensure that your choices can be honored when you are not able to communicate them. Putting them in writing provides clear instructions and gives your family peace of mind that they are representing your choices accurately. These documents also minimize the chance that family members will disagree about what choices to make, which can have a future impact on their relationships. If you would like additional information on any of the discussion points on today's video, please feel free to reach out to Health Current's Arizona Healthcare Directive Registry program.